Hello and welcome to my balloon artworks channel, where I show you how to make amazing balloon art. Hi, I'm Melanie from Balloon Artworks, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make these lovely balloon flowers, which aren't as difficult as they might first appear. For each balloon flower, you're going to need 3 260 twisting balloons, 1 in green and 2 in a colour of your choice. And today I'm using the Sempertex Neon colours. I've fully inflated this green balloon. So first of all, you just want to make a loop. So just fold the balloon over and make a loop that's about 4 fingers, and then make a twist. Okay, and then I like to pass the knot and nozzle through the centre of that loop. Give your balloon a bit of a squeeze to make it soft, make another loop of about the same size and twist. Okay. And then if you can find that knot and nozzle, wrap it around, because that's just going to ensure those loops don't come undone. And then we're going to make one more loop. So just bend the balloon over, measure and twist. Okay. And then twist the loops around one another. So this is what you've got. Inflate a 260 to a tail of about 4 fingers, and then go to the nozzle end, and you're just going to put your finger on the knot and nozzle here and just push that into the center of the balloon, and then here grab hold of it and then pull your finger out, hold on to this knot here, and then just twist that around. Okay, so that's what you've got. Make a little bubble, so just twist a little bubble of a couple of fingers, okay, and then make a loop of about 5 fingers and twist that round. Okay, give your balloon a squeeze, and then make another small bubble, a bit smaller than that, of a couple of fingers. Okay, and then you're going to twist that section into this section here. So just twist them round. Okay, and then take hold of the first bubble that you made, and we're going to push that through here. Okay, so that's what you've got. Break off your balloon here. Using the excess, just pull that into the centre of your flower loops. Okay, and then that's what you've got. I've inflated this 260 to a tail of about 1 finger, and then I've stretched it to make sure it's nice and soft. Okay, so you're just going to make a loop with this. Okay, and then take the other end and push it through here. Okay, so that's what you've got. And then take the 2 ends here and tie them together. Okay, so just tie them together here. And you can trim off this excess. Just adjust, round it off, and trim off the excess here. We're going to pass the centre of the flower through here. Just take hold of it and pull that through. Okay, and if you push this back a little bit so that it sits further back, it will give your flower a really nice shape. We'll make it more circular. If you want to just angle the stem a little bit, give it a little whittle there so that the flower head points forward. If this video has been helpful to you, then please give it a like and be sure to subscribe to my channel. And if you've enjoyed this video, I think you'll enjoy this video next.